A warm hello to all teachers implementing PBLs for our learners. In this video, we will try to understand the PBL. How different is my home from that of birds and animals? Based on the concept or topic of buildings built by birds. For the chapter Buildings, the Rooks for Grade 4. Remember teachers, this video will help us, the teachers, understand what is expected by learners in each of the activities. And more importantly, what are the strategies or tips that will help us as the teacher to support our learners to work on the PBLs and learn English skills with it. This PBL addresses the DSERT and NCERT learning outcomes of responding to questions based on day-to-day life experiences, or an article or a story or a poem that the learners have heard or read, and presenting the highlights of a given text or a short speech or a narration or any material orally and in writing. All PBLs generally start with a leading question. A leading question is asked to the learners before discussing any concept or topic. For example, when you ask this leading question, do birds have rooms in their nests too, like we have different rooms at our houses? You can expect answers like, I have never thought about it. Do they use bricks to build their house too? Do they have a kitchen? They only have one room. Now that we have made all learners